They laughed at my old laptop, said I never compete. Now Parrot OS boots fast while I sharpen elite. They chase expensive gear, I upgraded my brain. Real hackers rise through pressure and pain. Parrot on the screen, terminal glow. Quiet setup, but the mindset grows. Lightweight system, heavy ambition. Late night grind with precision vision. Wireshark shows truth in packets that move. Burp Suite finds flaws they thought they improved. Python in my hands turns ideas to force. Tools don't create me, I am the source. No rich setup, no perfect start. Some of the strongest come from the dark. Weak machine, I optimize. Closed doors, I improvise. While they scroll, I study stacks. Linux commands and network facts. Every mistake became my gain. Every setback became my flame. Prepare for the ones who move with class. No loud noise, just skill that lasts. Professionals know what beginners miss. Silent systems often hit. You don't need hype to earn respect. Consistency builds what trends neglect. One focused year can change your lane. Discipline over everything. They judged the device, what feared the mind behind it. They judged the device.